Hello, I'm your driving instructor. Welcome to today's lesson where we will practice crossing an intersection. The task might seem simple, but it's actually quite interesting and valuable for both experienced drivers and beginners. However, pay attention. Almost 80% of viewers usually answer incorrectly in the comments. So, here's the situation. A blue car and a red truck are approaching a T intersection. Both intend to turn right, and a collision occurs. Who is to blame in this situation? Choose one of the following options. 1. The red truck. 2. The blue car. 3. Both are at fault. Pause the video now and take your time to think about your answer. Write it down in the comments section. At the end of the video, you will find out if your answer was correct or not. I hope you've made your choice because we are going to break it down now. A truck and a car are both approaching the intersection, both intending to turn right. We don't see any signs that forbid the truck from turning from the left lane. Additionally, there are no restrictions for the blue car turning right from its right lane. The only visible sign is a stop sign, but that doesn't add any additional limitations. However, the truck makes a mistake in its maneuver. Instead of turning right properly, it makes an incorrect move and hits the blue car with its trailer. This mistake causes the collision, and it's clear that the truck driver is at fault in this case. So the correct answer is option number 1, the red truck. If you picked that answer, congratulations, you were right. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you can drive without worrying about fines or getting stopped by the police. Drive safely and take care on the road.